Welcome to Tech Nest, where we break down real specs and features so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today we're diving into the ASUS ROG Azoth X wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, a 75% TKL high-performance gaming keyboard designed for speed, versatility, and premium customization. The big question is, does this keyboard offer top-tier mechanical performance in a compact, wireless design for gamers and creators? Right away, the standout feature is its pre-lubed ROG NX V2 Snow linear switches, which are hot swappable, allowing you to replace or customize switches on the fly without soldering. These linear switches deliver smooth, fast key presses with satisfying travel, ideal for competitive gaming or rapid typing sessions. By the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest deals and current price. The Azoth X supports tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, giving you flexible connectivity across PC, Mac, or mobile devices. Its south-facing PCB ensures unobstructed RGB lighting and better compatibility with larger keycaps, while the PBT keycaps are durable, resistant to shine, and offer a premium typing feel. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find these deals. This 75% TKL layout saves desk space without sacrificing functionality, giving you all essential keys plus arrow keys and shortcuts, perfect for both gaming and productivity setups. The keyboard is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and portable, with customizable RGB effects via ASUS Armory Crate, letting you sync lighting with your ROG ecosystem. Performance-wise, the wireless modes are optimized for ultra-low latency, ensuring instant key registration for competitive play. Hot swappable switches mean you can experiment with different tactile or linear options over time without replacing the entire keyboard, extending the lifespan of your setup. So, is the ASUS ROG Azoth X worth buying? If you want a compact 75% TKL mechanical keyboard with hot swappable ROG NX V2 switches, tri-mode connectivity, premium PBT keycaps, and low latency wireless performance, it's an excellent choice for competitive gamers, content creators, and anyone who values flexibility and premium build quality. Thanks for watching Tech Nest. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more gaming gear, mechanical keyboards, and tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.